Let's be honest. There are a lot of scammy videos out there claiming you can make $1,000 a day doing nothing. That's not this video. Here are 7 real, proven ways to make money online in 2025, even if you're starting from scratch, with no special skills or money up front. Number 1. Freelancing. If you have any kind of skill, writing, design, video editing, voiceovers, or coding, you can start freelancing today. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you post your services and connect with clients around the world. Even simple gigs like, I'll design a basic logo can earn you $10 to $50 per order. Start small, deliver quality, and build up your reviews. Once you get traction, raise your rates. And here's a bonus tip. You can use ChatGPT to help write proposals, scripts, or assist with tasks to save time. Number 2, selling digital products. You create something once and sell it over and over again. Think ebooks, Notion templates, budgeting spreadsheets, or Instagram story packs. You can sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or PayHip, and all you need to create them is Canva or Google Docs. Bonus tip. Search Etsy for trending digital products in your niche, then create a better version. Number 3, print on demand. Don't want to handle inventory or shipping? Print on demand lets you sell merch without touching a single product. Sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful handle everything for you. You just upload your designs, even simple text-based ones, and earn passive income on every sale. Bonus tip. Use Canva or AI tools like Midjourney to create unique, eye-catching designs. Number 4, affiliate marketing. This is one of the most passive ways to make money online. You promote products using a special link and get paid every time someone buys. You can join programs like Amazon Associates, Impact, or Share a Sale and promote products through YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even a blog. Pick a niche like fitness, tech, or productivity and recommend tools you actually use. Bonus tip. Make top 5 tools I use videos or blog posts with affiliate links included. Number 5, content creation, YouTube and TikTok. If you're consistent, content creation is still one of the best long-term income streams. You can earn money from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, or even selling your own products. You don't need a fancy camera, just your phone and a good idea. Focus on a niche. Productivity, money, tech, travel, or daily vlogs. Bonus tip. Repurpose one video across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels to reach more people with less effort. Number 6. Online tutoring or coaching. Are you good at a language, math, or any specific skill? You can get paid to teach it online. Websites like Preply or Superprof let you tutor globally and set your own rates. Or you can offer one-on-one coaching sessions for things like fitness, productivity, mindset, or career advice using Zoom and Calendly. Bonus tip. Niche down. Don't just be an English tutor. Be the IELTS speaking coach for engineers. That's how you stand out. And number 7, AI-powered side hustles. AI is opening up tons of new opportunities. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney to create scripts, art, ads, captions, and sell them as services or products. Examples? Sell ad copy on Fiverr. Generate Instagram captions for small businesses. Sell AI-generated artwork or logos. Bonus tip. Don't sell the tool, sell the result. People pay for outcomes, not platforms. So there you go. 7 real ways to make money online in 2025. Don't try them all at once. Pick one, stick with it for 30 days, and see where it takes you. If you want help choosing the best one for your skills, drop a comment with your interests. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's also trying to make money online this year.